Hi there. Building an online store is a complex process. From designing a storefront to make your products irresistible to shoppers and ensuring your store is visible everywhere your customers are. Tapita provides a complete, all-in-one solution for merchants who want to build, grow, and scale faster. Trusted by more than 30,000 merchants worldwide, with over 15,000 active users across the globe. From the Americas through Europe to Asia, Tapita empowers businesses everywhere to thrive. It's the all-in-one solution built to support every stage of your e-commerce growth. Let's start with the foundation, designing your storefront. Tapita helps you create designs that adapt to every device, convert effectively, and optimized for speed. With your storefront ready, it's time to boost sales. Tapita helps you. Showcase product variants with smart grouping, dynamic swatches, and a smoother shopping experience. Finally, Tapita gives you the tools to turn visibility into traffic and traffic into sales through SEO optimization, engaging content creation, Google Shopping integration. Beyond powerful tools and smart solutions, Tapita builds a space to connect, learn, and grow together with the e-commerce community. Tapita is launching a new annual workshop series focused on solving real growth roadblocks faced by online stores, building a thriving e-commerce community, driving digital growth and innovation to stay ahead in e-commerce. This year, we kick off the series with the very first edition, Hands-On Ecommerce Workshop, crafting strategies for real-world success. So, let's get started.